Chapter 3. Putting it all together. The whole reason we wanted to do this was for Matthias. He's a good friend of ours, and we knew he would enjoy something traditional from Spain, even by way of Rome. To understand why we would go so deep in this, you kind of have to know Matthias.
Mi nombre es Matías Corea, soy diseñador gráfico, me mudé a Nueva York en el 2002 y aquí estamos a hablar del vermut. El vermut es una tradición muy antigua, ¿no? El vermut viene desde hace casi que de los romanos, ¿no? Es vino fermentado, macerado. Es algo que es muy curioso porque es yo creo que la tradición es entre las 12 y las 12 del mediodía y las 2 de la tarde. Siempre se dice que 1 bien, 2 mejor, 3 mal. 3 ya es peligroso, ¿no? Y uno vaya a comer ya doblado, ¿no? De lado, que no es bueno. Y bueno, es algo que está muy arraigado en la cultura española y la cultura catalana, desde luego, ¿no? Hay sitios específicos para ir a tomar vermut en Barcelona y cada bar crea su propia maceración, su propia versión de este vermut, lo cual los hace muy auténticos y muy particulares. Se haga una experiencia, ¿no? Y ahí sí, es una cosa muy importante, muy arraigada en la cultura española y catalana. Nunca he probado una versión muy antigua. Obviamente las versiones que he probado en Barcelona probablemente tengan 80, 90 años, pero algo que tenga cientos de años como receta no, y tengo muchas ganas de probarlo, la verdad.
We love
Matthias. He's a great guy, super talented, well-traveled, and actually has really great taste. Which was unfortunately obliterated after he tried drinking Everclear straight from the bottle. It is not recommended. After those shenanigans, it was time to try to put this recipe together to see if we could really bring back this ancient vermouth once and for all.
All right, let's make some bowls.
7. What is that?
I don't want to scam. Look at you, Professor.
Well, it's how we used to deal cocaine.
But you don't know what the ratio is.
No, that's not about that. And then...
All right, that's pretty good.
The hot beers.
Spiked nards. That's twice as heavy, but all right. And then frankincense.
Yep. You know what?
You don't do that. Oh, it smells so good. Amen.
It really looks like crack.
Yeah.
Yep.
Cool. Keep away from fire. We thought it was illegal to buy Everclear in the state, but apparently it's not. 95% alcohol by volume. Ah! Oh!
You didn't get it. Take another shot. Seriously, I saw it come over here again.
No?
I'm not even fucking with you. You really didn't get the shot.
It's horrible. It hurts your eyes before it even gets to your mouth. It's the highest quality though. I don't know what the lowest quality is for the. Oh man, I can't feel my lips.
So you're wondering how it turned out.
Well, we're happy to report that we didn't go completely blind.
It took a lot of dialing
it did take
in,
a bit of dialing in,
figuring out
but
the
eventually
ratio.
we got something that was truly unique
not only
and
quite
definitely
palatable,
special.
but really quite enjoyable.
The experience
Different than
itself
anything else
of
that I've
bringing this
ever had.
ancient recipe back to life
experience
was
itself
so
was
much
so
fun
cool,
that we actually
we ended up
contacted Atlas
contacting
Obscura
Atlas
and
Obscura
did a partnership with the Food Bank of New York City to do a live event to help those impacted by the pandemic.
Sold a
We
bunch
sold
of
a bunch of
tickets,
tickets, we set up the cameras,
and we
poured
did a
few
live
drinks,
stream with them,
and shared the
which
adventure.
was a tremendous amount of fun.
Cheers.
Look at you. Look at you. Look, there's a screen, there's a mic. What are we doing over here?
Well, let's get the event started. My name is Larissa Hayden. I'm the Associate Director of Community Hosted Experiences at Atlas Obscura. I was sent an email by a stranger who told me that he and his friend had come into a collection of rare cookbooks. And they wanted to know, hey, would the Atlas Obscura audience would be interested in learning more about these? Sergio, of course. So that email is the genesis of this evening. Thank you all so much for joining us tonight. What are you two drinking?
What are we drinking, Peters?
We're drinking Ancient Roman Vermouth, or a slight variation on it, so it's a little bit more palatable.
So one of the fun things that we like to do is find these bizarro recipes and try to bring them back to life. And why is that fun for us? Because the cookbook basically let us go travel to these different stores. We're having these great interactions with people that are blowing our minds about all sorts of wild things. And it's not something you're going to read about on Yelp. You know what I mean?
It is easy to make, but part of the fun of experience like this is to create your own drink. Yeah.
So this is a really fun project, and it's a great way to kind of illustrate that, there's so many cool cookbooks out there, and they're a great way to kind of explore your world.
Oh, I forgot to tell you if we impressed Matthias.
It was pretty good.
Thanks, Matthias.
You're welcome.